When Kelly Kruger's 3-year-old son developed cold symptoms and a rash, she was shocked when she learned his diagnosis.
They said he had measles, and I kind of just went, really? Measles? Like, is that a thing kids get?
Now a warning that diseases like measles, eliminated from the U.S. years ago, could make a comeback.
Measles was the single leading killer of children globally. It's probably one of the most contagious, one of the most transmissible infectious agents we know about.
A new study has identified hotspots of risk in 12 states, places vulnerable to outbreaks because too many parents aren't vaccinating their kids. Idaho had some of the highest rates. In some small rural counties, nearly 20% of kindergartners didn't get their shots. But even more alarming, hundreds of kids went unvaccinated in more densely populated cities like Phoenix and Seattle.
These are the areas where I'm really concerned.
There you go, buddy.
Pediatricians like Dr. Mark Oranga in Boise blame aggressive anti-vaccine social media campaigns, scaring parents with misinformation.
How frustrating is it that patients are trusting social media more than their own doc?
It's so frustrating. We get to a point where we just don't want to have the discussion because we know at times it's not going to lead anywhere.
Idaho is one of the 18 states that allow parents to opt out of vaccinating their kids because of personal beliefs. California used to be one of them, but changed that law after 125 people became infected with measles during an outbreak that started at Disneyland.
California became a role model for what needs to happen in other states.
That outbreak at Disney was so severe, it was enough to infect Kelly Kruger's son, who had already received his first measles vaccine. Her advice for parents?
Do the research, know the real facts.
Dr. John Torres, NBC News, Boise, Idaho.
Hey, NBC News fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down here and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives. Thanks for watching.